If your outlet is loose inside the electrical box, it's more common than you think and super important to fix right away to avoid any safety issues or annoying sparks. So, first off, always make sure the power is off before you touch anything. Safety first, you know? Then, check if the screws holding the outlet are tight. Sometimes they just loosen over time, and that's an easy fix. If the screws are missing or stripped, grab new ones that are the right size for your outlet and box. Also, look at the electrical box itself. If it's too big or damaged, the outlet won't sit right, so you might need to swap it for the correct size. Another trick is to add some electrical box shims. These little guys fill gaps and help keep the outlet snug. Make sure the wires are connected firmly to the outlet terminals because loose wiring can cause the whole thing to wiggle. When putting everything back, don't over-tighten screws or you'll crack the outlet plate, which sucks. Lastly, double-check that the outlet sits flush with the wall to keep everything looking neat and prevent dust or debris from sneaking in. One of the biggest issues people face with a loose outlet inside an electrical box is using the wrong-sized box, which makes the outlet shift around no matter what you do. Fix it by measuring carefully and buying a box that matches your wall thickness and outlet type. Another common mistake is skipping on tightening the mounting screws properly. If they're loose, just grab a screwdriver and snug them up without stripping them. A third problem is ignoring damaged or old electrical boxes, which can crumble or become unstable. If that's your case, replace the box entirely to make sure everything stays secure and safe. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors for all kinds of repairs and upgrades, including electrical fixes like this. Contractors also get a steady stream of work from folks who need reliable pros, so it's a win-win for everyone involved.